Ta-da! Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to continue on the other fenders and maybe more, so let's go. Today I got my rear fender and my front fender to put some carbon sticker on it, but before I go into all of it, the rear light, so that I can put easily the carbon on it. Break it down. So I'm gonna keep it just like this. I'm gonna not to try it all of it. So I will see what happens. It's not bad at all. I have to cut the sides, but for all the rest, it's good enough for me. So I'm going to cut the sides now. So guys, it's done. It was not easy, just like I expect, but it is pretty nice. Okay, we got some bubbles here and there, a little bit, but I will see that later. where I can change that. So I'm going to begin on the other piece.
So let's do it.
It's very hard to do this fender, the rear fender. Very difficult. So I don't go to show everything because it's very stressful. So guys, I put my rear light back on it, so if you can see it, it's not bad at all. Okay, it's not perfect, but yeah, here you got something, but I can live with it. All the rest is it pretty nice gun, I think. So you have just take your time to do this, because with all the curves and all the things on this fender, it's not easy, but it is okay. And now I'm going to see for another pieces, because I have to do another. So yeah guys, I don't have enough for to do the rest, so I have to go to the shop to all new ones. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and thank you again for watching and all the support. Don't forget the like if you like it, and see you later. Bye bye. Peace.